Hi everyone. Self-confidence is not something you are born with. It is something you build, something you develop through your actions. No one becomes confident overnight. If you still confused at what is self-confidence, then my dear, this speech is for you. Today we will talk about it. My name is Muniba Mazari and I am a motivational speaker. If you find this video fruitful, then you can appreciate me by like and subscribe and start a new journey with me. Let's start the topic. There is one simple truth that many people forget. Real confidence does not come from others. It is not something you can borrow, buy, or receive as a gift. It is something that comes from within. But the problem is, we live in a world where people are constantly looking outside for validation. They wait for someone to tell them they are good enough, smart enough, or talented enough. They want approval from friends, family, or society before they believe in themselves. But what if that approval never comes? What if no one ever tells you that you are capable? Will you stop believing in yourself? This is why self-confidence must be built from within. It is not about what others think of you. It is about what you think of yourself. A truly confident person does not need constant reassurance from the world. They know their worth, whether people recognize it or not. They understand that confidence is not about seeking permission to be great. It is about knowing that you already are. Think about a child who is learning to walk. The child does not wait for applause before taking the next step. They do not stop trying just because someone laughs when they fall. They simply get up and try again. Why? Because they believe in themselves without needing anyone to confirm it. But as we grow older, we start looking for external validation. We want people to clap for us before we take action. We want others to tell us that we are ready before we even start. This is where we go wrong. You do not need anyone to tell you that you are capable. You do not need a certificate of confidence from the world. If you believe in yourself, that is enough. The most successful people in history did not wait for others to believe in them. They believed in themselves first, and that belief made others believe in them too. If you keep waiting for people to approve of you, you will never move forward. There is another big mistake people make. They compare themselves to others. They look at someone else's success and feel small. They think, that person is so confident, so talented, so successful, I can never be like them. But confidence does not come from being better than others. It comes from being comfortable with who you are. You do not have to be the smartest, the strongest, or the most talented person in the room to be confident. You just have to know that you are enough as you are. Look around you. Every person you admire today was once a beginner. They had doubts, they had fears, they made mistakes. But what made them different? They did not let their self-worth depend on others. They did not stop just because someone doubted them. They did not wait for permission to become great. They just believed in themselves and took action. So the question is, will you keep waiting for the world to tell you that you are enough? Or will you decide that you are enough today? Confidence is a choice. It is not something you find, it is something you create. And it starts when you stop looking for approval and start believing in yourself. Many people think confidence is something people are born with. They look at successful individuals and assume they have always been sure of themselves. But that is not true. Confidence is built over time, just like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. But if you do not practice, it will remain weak. This is why confidence is not a talent, it is a skill. And just like any skill, it can be learned, developed, and improved with effort. Think about the first time you tried something new. Maybe it was riding a bicycle, speaking in front of a crowd, or learning a new language. You were probably nervous. You made mistakes. You doubted yourself. But as you kept practicing, something changed. You became better. You stopped hesitating. You started believing in yourself. That is how confidence works. It does not come before action. It comes after action. The more you do something, the more confident you become in it. But here is where most people go wrong. They wait to feel confident before they start. They think, once I feel ready, I will try. But that is not how confidence works. You will never feel ready at the beginning. If you keep waiting for the perfect moment, you will never start. The only way to build confidence is to take action, even when you feel unsure. Every step you take, no matter how small, makes you stronger. Many people also believe that confidence means never being afraid. That is a myth. Even the most confident people feel fear. The difference is they do not let fear stop them. They take action despite being afraid. That is what makes them different. Courage is not the absence of fear. It is the ability to move forward even when fear is present. The more you do this, the more confident you become. Look at children. They are not born confident. They learn confidence by trying, failing, and trying again. A child who learns to walk falls hundreds of times, but they never say, maybe walking is not for me. No, they get up and try again. That is the natural process of building confidence. But as we grow up, we start fearing failure. We stop trying because we're afraid of looking foolish. And that is what kills confidence. If you want to build confidence, stop waiting to feel ready. Stop waiting for someone to tell you that you can do it. Just start. Speak up in that meeting, even if your voice shakes. Apply for that job, even if you do not feel fully qualified. Start that business, even if you are afraid of failing. The more you act, the more confident you will become. And remember this, confidence is not about being perfect. It is about being comfortable with imperfection. It is about knowing that even if you fail, you will get back up. The people who succeed in life are not the ones who never fail. They are the ones who fail and keep going. That is real confidence. That is the confidence that changes lives. So do not wait. Do not let fear control you. Take action and confidence will follow, because confidence is not given, it is earned. And the only way to earn it is by doing. Confidence is not about being the loudest person in the room. It is not about showing off or proving something to others. True confidence is silent, strong, and deeply rooted in self-belief. It is not about looking perfect, having everything figured out, or waiting for approval. It is about trusting yourself, knowing your worth, and being comfortable in your own skin. Many people mistake arrogance for confidence. Arrogance is when someone feels the need to constantly prove they are better than others. It comes from insecurity. Confident people, on the other hand, do not feel the need to compare. They know who they are, and they do not seek validation. They do not need to bring others down to feel good about themselves. They uplift others because they are already secure in their own worth. One of the biggest mistakes people make is thinking confidence is about being perfect. Perfection is an illusion. Nobody is perfect, and trying to be perfect only leads to frustration. Confident people do not try to be perfect. They accept their flaws and work on them. They are not afraid to make mistakes because they know mistakes are part of growth. They do not pretend to know everything. Instead, they are always ready to learn. This mindset makes them stronger. Have you ever seen someone walk into a room and instantly change the energy of the place? They do not have to say much, but their presence is powerful. That is true confidence. It is not forced. It is not fake. It comes from within. It is the result of self-acceptance and self-belief. When you truly believe in yourself, you do not need to prove anything. Your energy speaks for itself. Think about the people you admire. What makes them confident? It is not their clothes, their money, or their titles. It is their mindset. They do not let fear stop them. They do not allow others to define their worth. They take risks, they make decisions, and they keep moving forward even when things are uncertain. This is what real confidence looks like. Many people struggle with confidence because they are constantly seeking approval from others. They want to be liked, accepted, and praised. But the truth is, confidence is not about what others think. It is about what you think of yourself. If you spend your life waiting for others to validate you, you will never feel confident. The moment you stop caring about what others think and start focusing on your own growth, your confidence will naturally increase. Confidence also comes from keeping promises to yourself. When you set a goal and achieve it, no matter how small, you build trust in yourself. If you say you will wake up early and exercise and you actually do it, your confidence grows. If you say you will speak up in a meeting and you do, your confidence grows. Confidence is built through action. Every time you push yourself beyond your comfort zone, you become stronger. Self-confidence is not something you are born with. It is something you develop. It is not about having all the answers, looking a certain way, or being perfect. It is about knowing your worth, taking action despite fear, and believing in yourself even when no one else does. Confidence is a choice, and you have the power to make that choice every single day. Confidence is not something that appears overnight. It is built through experiences, challenges, and the ability to handle failures. One of the most powerful ways to develop self-confidence is by stepping out of your comfort zone. Growth never happens in comfort. If you always stay in the same place, doing the same things, meeting the same people, how will you ever grow? How will you ever discover your true potential? The biggest enemy of confidence is fear. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of looking foolish. These fears hold so many people back. But the truth is, the only way to become confident is to face those fears. Every time you avoid a challenge, your fear gets stronger and your confidence gets weaker. But every time you push through fear, even in small ways, you become stronger. Confidence is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Think about a time when you were afraid to try something new. Maybe it was speaking in front of people, taking on a new responsibility, or learning a new skill. At first, it felt scary. You doubted yourself. But once you did it, you realized it was not as bad as you thought. That is how confidence is built, by taking action despite fear. The more you do something, the more comfortable you become with it. What once seemed impossible becomes natural. Many people wait until they feel confident before they take action, but that is not how confidence works. Confidence comes from taking action first. It is built in the process of doing. If you wait until you feel ready, you will never start. Start now, even if you feel scared, even if you feel like you are not good enough. Growth happens through experience, not by sitting and thinking about it. It is important to understand that everyone starts somewhere. The people you admire, the ones who seem so confident, were once beginners. They struggled, they doubted themselves, and they made mistakes. But they kept going. They kept pushing themselves beyond their comfort zones, and that is how they became confident. Confidence is not a talent. It is a result of effort, learning, and perseverance. Think of a child learning to walk. They do not think about failing. They try, they fall, they get back up, and they try again. They do not stop because they fail once or twice. They keep going until they learn. That is the mindset you need to build confidence. Be willing to fail. Be willing to look foolish. Be willing to be uncomfortable. Every failure is a lesson. Every mistake is a step forward. Stepping out of your comfort zone does not have to mean doing something extreme. It can be as simple as speaking up when you usually stay silent, trying a new activity, or taking on a responsibility that challenges you. The key is to keep pushing yourself in small ways every day. Over time, those small steps add up to something big. You start believing in yourself more. You start realizing that you are capable of more than you thought. The most confident people are not those who never feel fear, but those who feel it and take action anyway. They understand that fear is part of growth. They do not let it stop them. They embrace discomfort because they know it leads to strength. If you want to be confident, start stepping into the unknown. Start doing things that scare you. The more you challenge yourself, the more you will grow. And the more you grow, the more confident you will become. Self-confidence is deeply connected to the way you think about yourself. If you constantly doubt your abilities, question your worth, or believe that you are not good enough, then confidence will never grow. What you say to yourself matters more than what anyone else says. The way you think shapes your reality. If your mind is full of negative thoughts, your actions will reflect that. But if you train your mind to believe in your potential, you will start seeing positive changes in your life. Many people are trapped in a cycle of self-doubt. They tell themselves, I am not smart enough, I am not talented enough, or I will never be successful. These thoughts become their reality because when you believe something, you act accordingly. If you think you are not good enough, you will not even try. You will hold yourself back, you will hesitate, and that hesitation will stop you from growing. The key to confidence is breaking that negative cycle. Start by changing your thoughts. Instead of saying, I can't do this, say, I will try my best. Instead of saying, I am not good enough, say, I am learning and I am improving. The words you use shape your belief system. When you speak to yourself with kindness and encouragement, your confidence starts to grow. Think about how you would speak to a friend who is struggling. You would not tell them they are a failure or that they should give up. You would encourage them, remind them of their strengths, and push them to keep going. So why do you speak to yourself with negativity? You deserve the same kindness and encouragement that you give to others. The way you talk to yourself sets the foundation for your confidence. Your thoughts control your emotions, and your emotions control your actions. If you constantly fill your mind with doubt, you will feel weak. You will be afraid to take risks, afraid to speak up, afraid to go after what you want. But if you train your mind to focus on possibilities instead of limitations, your confidence will grow. You will start believing in yourself. You will take action without fear. This is not about ignoring reality or pretending that problems do not exist. It is about shifting your mindset from self-doubt to self-belief. If you make a mistake, do not say, I am a failure. Say, I learned something valuable from this experience. If you face a challenge, do not say, this is impossible. Say, this is difficult, but I will find a way. The way you think determines the way you live. If you fill your mind with thoughts of strength and possibility, your confidence will become unshakable. Another important part of training your mind is avoiding comparison. Many people lose confidence because they constantly compare themselves to others. They see someone more successful, more talented, or more confident, and they start feeling small. But confidence does not come from being better than others. It comes from being the best version of yourself. Your journey is different from everyone else's. Your strengths, your challenges, and your growth are unique. Instead of comparing, focus on improving. Focus on becoming better than you were yesterday. Confidence is not about perfection. It is not about knowing everything or never making mistakes. It is about believing in yourself enough to keep going, even when things are hard. It is about trusting that you are capable, strong, and worthy of success. When you train your mind to think positively, to see challenges as opportunities, and to believe in your potential, your confidence will grow. You will start to walk with purpose, speak with certainty, and take action without hesitation. Everything starts in the mind. If you want confidence, begin with your thoughts. Speak to yourself with kindness, believe in your abilities, and never let doubt control your actions. When your mind is strong, your confidence will follow. Self-confidence is not something you are born with. It is something you build, something you develop through your actions. No one becomes confident overnight. Confidence grows when you take action, when you challenge yourself, and when you prove to yourself that you are capable. You cannot wait for confidence to magically appear. You have to create it by stepping out of your comfort zone, by doing things that scare you, and by pushing yourself beyond your limits. Many people say, I will be confident once I succeed. Confidence is what pushes you to take the first step. It is what keeps you going when things get tough. It is what allows you to stand up after failure and try again. You cannot sit back and wait for confidence to come to you. You have to take action despite your fears, despite your doubts, and despite your insecurities. Think about a child learning to walk. They do not wait until they are confident to take their first step. They just try, they fall, and then they try again. With each step, their confidence grows. This is exactly how confidence works in life. You do not become confident first and then take action. You take action first, and confidence follows. The problem is that most people avoid taking action because they are afraid of failing, afraid of looking foolish, afraid of what others will think. But fear is normal. Even the most successful people feel fear. The difference is that they do not let fear stop them. They take action anyway. They understand that fear is just a sign that they are stepping out of their comfort zone, and that is where growth happens. Every time you avoid taking action, you strengthen your fear, and weaken your confidence. It is that simple. If you want to become confident, start by taking small actions. Speak up in a meeting. Try something new. Take on a challenge. Do something you have been avoiding. Each time you take action, you send a message to yourself. I can do this. That message builds confidence. Some people spend their whole lives waiting for the right moment, waiting for a sign. But there is no perfect moment. There is no magical day when you will suddenly feel brave enough to do everything you want. The only way to become ready is by taking action now, in this moment, even if you feel scared. Do not let fear control your life. Fear will always be there, but you have a choice. You can let it stop you, or you can use it as a signal that you are growing. Confidence is built by facing fear, not by avoiding it. When you take action despite fear, you prove to yourself that you are stronger than your doubts. Mistakes will happen, failures will come, but that is part of the process. No one succeeds without failure. No one becomes confident without setbacks. The important thing is to keep moving forward. Do not let one mistake define you. Do not let one failure stop you. Every challenge, every struggle, every obstacle is an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to become stronger. Confidence is not about knowing everything. It is not about being perfect. It is about trusting yourself. Trusting that no matter what happens, you will handle it. You will figure it out. You will keep going. That trust only comes when you take action, when you challenge yourself, and when you push through your fears. Stop waiting. Stop doubting. Stop letting fear control you. Take action. Step forward. Do the things you are afraid of. That is how confidence is built. That is how success is created. Your future depends on the actions you take today.